Hi guys, it's Josiah with MachMotion again. We're working on the Onsrud Panel Pro, and we're assembling our new tool changer here, right? So we're going to reuse the existing tool pockets and the existing gearbox here. But we're also adding this new servo, a new 9-deck gearbox, and this custom spacer we made, and integrating it all to match up with this existing one. So make sure to Loctite all the bolts when you're putting this together. We don't want anything to creep out over time. So we use blue Loctite, torque these down to spec, torque our gearbox to spec. We have a bushing with here with a coupler that integrates right into the factory gearbox. So we've actually removed this from the machine, just make it a little easier while we're putting this all together. We don't want to strip any bolts out or anything. We're going to reuse the factory sensor. We have this optical sensor here to check for tool in pocket. We'll reintegrate that with the software. And we have our tool changer home sensor right here. So this is a PNP proc switch that we're going to reuse to find tool changer home. So now we have this all torqued together, Loctite on all our bolts, everything's solid, gearbox is torqued to spec, nothing's going to back out. We're going to remove these little bushings here, put everything back in the holder on the machine, reline up this tool changer, and then get set about programming it. If you have a machine you'd like to upgrade, please reach out, talk to us, and see what we can do for you. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, stay in touch. We'd love to hear from you.